With a drone, Carrigogunnell Castle appears timeless, but its ruins that you are looking at were deliberate. This castle was built in the 13th century, and the fortress once dominated the approaches to Limerick, the controlling land, the trade, and of course the power that went with it. And for centuries, whoever held this castle held the countryside below. However, in 1651, during the Cromwellian Wars, that power came to an abrupt end. Parliamentarian forces captured the castle and systematically destroyed it. And this was not by accident, but rather by design. Cromwell wanted to ensure it could never be used as a defensive position again. So these broken walls that you are looking at are not the result of age or neglect. They are the aftermath of a brutal conquest. Today, it stands exactly as Cromwell intended, a written warning sign in stone. And now, over 350 years later, that warning is visible, even from the sky.